Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change the radiator and also remove the radiator fan on a Mercedes Benz GL class, ML class or R class. I'm going to end up replacing the radiator because the side plastic assembly has completely blown out, so the radiator is basically unusable. So let's get started with this replacement. So before starting with the repair, make sure your car is off and it's completely cooled down. You don't want to burn your hands because a lot of these parts get hot really quick. And now we're going to start off by removing the engine cover and also the air inlet hoses. And now it's time to remove the radiator support bracket, which is held with 8 different bolts. And before removing that, just pick up this rubber seal and push it to the backside of the engine. So on the top, we have 8 bolts and they're either going to be 10mm or 8mm bolts. With those out of the way, there's going to be a couple mounted on the side. Once you have all these out of the way and the rubber sealing out of the way, you're going to remove these 2 tabs, and these 2 plastic tabs are what keep your radiator completely in place, and they're quite simple to remove. You're going to just push them from each side, wiggle them, and they should come right out. Now you're going to look on the back side of this bracket and you're going to see one of these cables running, and you're just going to push it out of the way. So once it's out of the way, you could safely remove this bracket out. Next, you're going to remove the electrical connection that's running from the fan. And then start removing the bolts that are holding the fan into place. There's going to be 2 on top. Once the bolts are off, you're going to remove a couple hoses out of the way. And before you remove the hose, be careful, there's going to be fluid coming out of each of these hoses. So have something underneath because it's going to make quite a mess. With the hoses out of the way, you should be able to pick up the radiator fan and move it out of place. Now we're going to move on to the front and remove the AC condenser block. And this again is held on with either 8mm or 10mm bolts. Then we have to remove the small block on the bottom of the AC condenser, and before doing that, it's a lot easier to remove just the front grille. It's held on with a couple of tabbings. Once it's out of the way, we have easy access to the bottom portion of the AC condenser, and it's also held on with a couple bolts, and I'm going to be using a ratchet key. Remove those 2 bolts and the small piece should come right out. Next, you're going to locate any other hoses connected to our radiator. There's going to be quite a few rubber hoses and pipes running through there for transmission and coolant. And again, be cautious because it's going to make quite a mess. With all this out of the way, you're going to grab the radiator straight and pull it right out. And now to install our new radiator, we're just going to go in the reverse steps. We're going to put the radiator back into place, reinstall the small block and the 2 bolts that are holding the pipe and the lining into place. And then you're going to connect the big and the small hoses. Make sure they're completely pushed in. Then you're going to snap on the AC condenser back onto the radiator and screw it back into place. So I'm going to install the radiator support and the bracket into place. And now slide in your radiator fan back into place, bolt that on as well, and make sure you connect the electrical connection when you connect your radiator fan back into place. Once that's back on, we're going to install the front grille into place, install the radiator support and the bracket on top, and bolt everything completely down. Do not forget to install these 2 plastic retainers back into place so the radiator doesn't move at all. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy step-by-step DIY repair video on the Mercedes Benz. And if this video helped you guys out, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.